Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to show you what I got from Walmart. The Walmart Beauty Box came, yay! So this is the winter one. It does come quarterly and it costs I think $7 a month. Not a month because it comes quarterly, so it's $7 4 times a year. But I think I upgraded on this one. I think I got I think it cost like $12.99 or something. I don't quite remember. But this is the Winter Wonders. And let me show you why I upgraded. So this is a one standard size satin pillowcase. This is why I upgraded, was for the satin pillowcase. Because I love the way I had bought a couple satin pillowcases and from Amazon, and I put it on a video and I was talking about silk the whole time thinking they were silk, and they were satin. And satin is a lot, I guess, less expensive than silk, but that's okay. I do still love them. So this one is also a satin pillowcase. Let me make sure I don't say silk. So I almost did. All right, let's check it out. So this one is for a standard pillow. I don't know if I have a standard pillow. I do have queen size pillows. I'll have to check that out. I don't know. Didn't notice that. But here it is. Just a nice satin pillowcase. It looks awfully big. So, you know, this looks big. So I think this may, my pillows will probably be able to fit in there. Okay, and then this came with a Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. I didn't know eyelashes need to be plumped, but whatever works. I am using this facial toner right now, the Witch Hazel facial toner. I got a big one. I don't know. I think I got it from, I don't know, one of my beauty boxes or Single Swag. I want to say it was from Single Swag, but I could be wrong. But it was a big one. So I'm still working on that one. But it's the same exact stuff. Then I received this moisturizing no bump shave gel. We'll definitely use this. Got the Cetaphil healing ointment. This is just for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Definitely will use this. And then these. Ugh. I don't really even honestly know what these taste like. I have not tasted them. My son has and said they are awful. So I'm just taking his word for it because he's my water drinker. So I don't know. What kind are these anyway? Tangerine. Tangerine, that's not bad. Maybe I'll try it. I don't know. But anyway, that's the only thing that probably won't get any use. Everything else definitely will use it. So, very happy with this Walmart box that I received. And here's Brooklyn. If you see me all scatterbrained and trying to move stuff out of the way and move stuff here and move stuff there, it's because of my dog. Yep. Oh, there she goes. She just took a invoice for a different unboxing that I just did, and she's chewing it up. I'm looking at my dog. She's getting into mischief. I just opened a Walmart Beauty Box that I got. I think what happened was I upgraded to the, I think, $14 or $12 box, and then they sent me the regular box too. I didn't think they were going to do that, but here is what I received in this box. Doesn't look too impressive. First of all, I'm going to say something. We get these all the time. I don't use these. These usually go directly in the garbage. I know my son had tried one before and he did not like it, and I don't know. I'm not really a water drinker, so I don't even think I'll be using those. So then I received this CoverGirl Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. We'll definitely get some use out of that. Then I got this little Neutrogena sample. It's an invisible Daily Face Serum. Love Neutrogena. It's just a tiny little sample though, but that's okay. And then this Cetaphil, this is a skin cleanser. So another little tiny sample. Then I got this very strange thing. Well, to me it is. It's a diamond plumper. It's for your lips. It's a mineral wear lip plumper. I know a lot of people use lip plumpers, but I have never thought I needed to. So I guess it does, it screws off like this. I don't know if I should even bother. You think I need to plump up my lips? I don't know. I think I have big enough lips as it is, but it smells good. Yeah, it's got that menthol feel. Let's see if it does anything. I'm not sure, but okay. So I got that, and then I got a Cetaphil moisturizing cream as well. Just another little sample. So I guess it's not a bad box, but I've seen better. I do like it. And, you know, I'll probably put this video and my other one together since this is only like 2 minutes. But yeah, so I got 2 Walmart beauty boxes this quarter. I'm not too sure what happened, but it is what it is, and I like it all. So everybody, please like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know you were here. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.